In this video, I am going to reveal how much I am making money by using the Dark Nova EA on my live trading accounts. Everything in this video, so without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab and I'm your host Abdul. In this video, I'm going to reveal all my results and reports related to the Dark EA, specifically for Dark Nova EA, which I am using for now on my live trading account, and I will present you all the results and reports here. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see I already have these two products by the Dark EAs. The first one is the Dark Gold. In the upcoming days, I will do in-depth optimization of these Dark Gold EAs, and in this video I'm going to present you the result and reports of the Dark Nova EA. If you want to purchase this board, you can use this coupon code to get a 10% off discount, and also you will get the VIP membership on the TradingBotLab, where you will be able to download all the input settings free of cost. Now let's move to the TradingBotLab website and we will see how much it is performing or not. Simply you need to write TradingBotLab and you will see this logo. You simply need to click on it, and from here go to the backtest results. From here we will make a plan on which pair we will use this EA and which pair we will not. So from here, first of all, you need to select the Dark Nova EA and then switch to the combined view, not the single. If you select single, you will be able to see only one report at a time, but if you select combined, you will be able to select multiple. And for now I will select all these reports and I will see what happened if I use these three pairs on my live trading account in the past 3 years. Here it is very clear that how the graph is going up and it is very consistent. There is no big drawdowns at all. Also you can see the matrix here, the initial deposit, the total net profit, the combined result of all these three pairs. And in the future I am doing its optimization on more pairs, and I will publish the videos here on the YouTube channel and also on the website. The maximum combined drawdown is $103. The average win ratio is 69.9%, which means almost 70% of win ratio with this combined result. Let's move down and we will see the profit and loss month by month. Here you can see every month is in profit. That's amazing. And now we will see how it is performing on my live trading account. Simply move to the live results and you will see the list of all my live accounts. Here simply go to the Dark Nova, click on the deep live analysis. All these results are verified by the FX Blue. I am using FX Blue to verify my all these results. For now, here you can see the total return is 1% and monthly return for now is 2.7%, and the trade win ratio is 75%. So the total trading days are only 13. Here you can see the history of 13 days. In 13 days, the total return is 1.2%, and all these results are verified by FX Blue. Simply you can click on the FX Blue logo and go to the website and verify these results. Let's move back to the results, and this is how you can make money by using the Dark Nova EA by combining all these results for your trading account. If you need any kind of help, you can contact me on Telegram channel, and for this video, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.